Smyrna High School cut the ribbon on its $38.42 million expansion. At more than 95,000 square feet, the two-story addition provides Smyrna High School with 38 classrooms and lab spaces, in addition to offices and a large lecture hall. The space was much needed as Smyrna High has the second largest enrollment within Rutherford County Schools and is among the top 10 in Tennessee. With the expansion, Smyrna High can serve up to 2,500 students under one roof. The building houses career and technical education programs, including cosmetology, health science, a STEM lab, criminal justice, and audio-visual production. World languages and English as a second language classes also meet in the building. Teachers and students moved into their new space in early December. This comes about 16 months after a groundbreaking ceremony in August 2023 and nearly 8 months ahead of its projected opening. Another 16,000 square feet of space was renovated during the process, including the school cafeteria. Other updates have taken place on campus, but this is the first major update to the main building since 2005. Goodwin Mills Kaywood was the project architect, and R.G. Anderson Company served as a general contractor. Thank you to the Rutherford County Board of Education, County Commission, and our state legislative delegation for making this project possible.